This is the ByTrading platform which you can use to generate something cool just by playing games. All that you have to do is check to the description. The first link, that's the platform link. You tap on it and you landed here. Then click on the sign up button here. So here you fill in your details by entering your email address that is valid. Then a verification code will be sent to your email address just by clicking on this clock sign here, and you will see the verification code on the email that you provide. You enter the verification code and you set your password and click on the sign up here to have an account. As simple as that. So after successfully having an account, you'll be logged into your dashboard, and there are lots of games that you can use to play so as to get something. And the one that we are interested in is the BTC 28. You click on the BTC 28 here. So here it is just about predicting the movement of the BTC. Okay, you are predicting the price movement of the BTC here. You can see here there are time intervals and frames. So you see the 1 minute here, the 3 minutes and the 6 minute interval also here. Okay, and one thing to take note is that the more you change the time interval, the more the BTC price movement changes. So you can see if you click on the 3 minutes here, you see it will change. Click on the 5 minutes, it will change. So we are interested in the 5 minute interval. So what this means is that we are going to get signals from their 5 minute group, which we will use it to generate something cool from here. Okay, so here the 5 minute interval is very simple. You can see that there are results here. Okay, that is some numbers which are being added to give a total result. So here it is 9 plus 8 plus 1, which is giving what, 18. Okay, what this means is that there are numbers ranging from 0 to 27. The numbers ranging from 0 to 13 are considered to be small numbers, and numbers ranging from 14 to 27 are considered to be the bigger numbers. Okay, so when you come here, you are going to predict the result of the signal here by selecting either the result will be big, small, odd, even, or you can go for the combo, that is big, odd, small, odd, big, even, and small, even. And with the big, small, odd, and even, their potential return is 1.95 times the amount that you used to stake. And also with the big odd, that's the combo sections here, it is 3.8 times the amount that you used to play. Okay, and here is where you are going to enter the amount that you want to use to play. Okay, so here if you want to, so here the amount that you used to play, you just enter it here, and there are key things that I need to take note of. Here it is times 2.5 times 3. Okay, so here the times 2.5 means that your previous amount that you used to stake, if you lose and you go to the signal group, the signal group can tell you to multiply your previous amount by 2.5 times. Okay, you do this so as to help you to recover your losses in the previous runs. Okay, and you see the same for the times 3 here, that's the 3s plan here. Okay, all that you have to do is select the type that you want to predict. Okay, so here you see the time running down here. You need to make sure that you do your predictions before the time runs down. So after the time runs down, then the result will come here, as simple as that. Okay, so for instance, if you want to go for the small here, you click on small here, then you enter the amount, let's say 10 USDT here. Okay, then when you go for small here, it means you are predicting that the result that will come here should be a number which is from 0 to 13, as simple as that. Okay, the result that will come here, as you can see, it is 18. You are predicting that the price movement, the result should be less than 14. Okay, that is if you predict for small here. Okay, the same applies for the big as well. Okay, so you can see here the result came as 11 here, as simple as that. So what this means is that if you want to also play, you need to get the signals from their signal group. So you check to the description, the second link, that's the 5 minute signal group. Tap on it to join it so as to get the signals from this particular platform, as simple as that. Okay, so you can see the 5 minute signal group, they will give you the prediction, either it will be an odd, small, big, or even. Then you just select that one, then you go to the platform and use it to stake. So here the result that the signal group will give you, then you make sure you go by it by entering the amount here. Then you select either it is by 2.5s plan or 3s plan, as simple as that. Okay, so the 5 minutes is what it is recommended. Okay, so you can see if I go to the 1 minute interval here, then I go to the signal group here, you see it is win. The results are massive, win. Okay, so the results here is 21 let's go here, day one from it here. So the next one they are saying big here, so I go for big here, I select big, then I enter my amount here, I start to trade. Okay, good, success. One thing you need to take note is that you need to trade before the time runs down to 15 seconds, because when it is less than 50 seconds you cannot place a trade. Okay, so you need to be fast in the group so as to copy the signals from the group. Okay, so check the result here. So the result came as what? Even. Okay, as big number, so I won. Okay, you can see the one here. Now my amount has increased to 543 here. So that's how you can use to go by it, and you can see the stable returns for the 5-minute interval here being here. Okay, so phase one, that is the one here. The amount, if you start with 1 USDT, profit is 1.95 USDT. That is, you get a net profit of 0.95 USDT. Okay, that's a 0.28 rate of return. So phase two, that is, if you go for phase two, that is, you go for 2.5x plan here and you win, you are going to get 2.1 as profit. You are going to get 4.1 as profit, which is 0.29% as rate of return here. As you can check that one too as well here. Okay, and with this platform they will help you in proper risk management. So you can see on the screen that there's this ByTrading compound interest table that will help you to generate 5% daily profit, so as to help you be in the system, so as to make something cool. So you can see that with a principal of 10 USDT for the first day, that's day one, if you are able to get your 5% daily profit, you are going to get 10.5. After 7 days, you are going to get 14 USDT. After 15 days, that is 20.79. After 30 days is 43.22 through to 365 days. So after 365 days, you can see the amount that you get yourself just by starting with 10 USDT. If you follow the 5% daily profit by compound interest, as simple as that. Now here is the game. If you want to use this platform so as to generate something cool, you need to first make some deposits. So you can see when you go to the money section here, you see the top up here, click on top up. So here, select the amount that you want to top up. If you want to top up with 10 USDT, 20 or any amount, you select that one, preferably let's say 10 USDT. Then the network type is the TRC20 USDT here. Okay, click on top up here. So here you make sure you copy the TRC20 address here. Then once the address is copied, you make payment through any of the centralized or decentralized exchanges, and after successfully making payment, you copy the transaction ID or the payment address, then you paste it here, then you click on the confirm button here, and you see the amount to be credited to your account. Then go to the BTC28 so as to help you make some predictions based on the price movement of the BTC here. Preferably select the 5-minute time frame, as simple as that. Okay, so as to help you get the signal from the 5-minute signal group, as simple as that. Okay, and also after accumulating cool cash, and if you want to draw, you go ahead to click on the withdraw button here. Then for a first time withdraw from the platform, you'll be required to set your TRC20 address. So you just go ahead to enter your TRC20 address by copying from Binance or any crypto exchange platform. Then you set your trade password, as simple as that, and the verification code will be sent to your email address that you use to make or register account on this particular platform. Then once your TRC20 address is linked, then go ahead to enter the amount that you want to withdraw from here. Bear in mind there's 1 USDT as a withdrawal fee from this particular platform. So after entering the amount, you click on withdraw button here, as simple as that. And also if you want to invite your friends to also enjoy, you see the invite friends section, you click on it, then you copy your invitation, you can send it to your friends to register, and anytime someone registers through your link, you get some commission from it, as simple as that from here. Okay, and there are ongoing activities that you can base on to also generate something cool. That is the zero risk real reward, join the ByTrading, and there's 30% daily rebate. Okay, and one key thing about this platform is that if you use it to do your prediction and you fail on the 8th time, there's going to be 100% refund on the 8th amount that you used to predict on this particular platform that you can check from this particular platform. So far, this platform is one of the best that you can use to predict the price movement of the BTC so as to generate something cool for yourself. Okay, as a disclaimer, I disclaim that I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm showing you how I make money on 2 platforms like this just by predicting the movement of the BTC and also playing games. So therefore, I am not responsible for any profit or loss through this particular video. Make sure you do your own research. Do your own research before you use this platform to generate some quick cash. And remember, this video is for educational purpose as well.